Okay, I'm back. I'm going to do the satin stitch now. These, all of these blocks, all these little designs right here were filled in with a satin stitch. The thicker, if you have just two strands of thread, it's going to be a thinner, lighter fill. And so that had two strands, that had three, that had four, that had five, that had six. Now I'm going to use 4 strands of thread, and the thread is number 8, which is a very dark olive. I've knotted my thread. Now I'm going to show you something. And I've drawn a little pencil mark. This one right here is number 4. It's the 4 strands. So I drew a little pencil mark halfway across there. I'm going to do this in sections to help me maybe get a little bit more controlled coverage. So I bring my needle in at the top of the box, and I take my needle down at the bottom straight below. Now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go all the way on the other side. Just a reminder, I'm working on a Suit Slowly, the pink set, the pink design, the pink canvas in the pink set of 4 embroidery kits. This is the pink design in the pink set. So, and I'm posting all the stitches in a blog post underneath the information about this set. This is one of the best kits. Actually, it is the best embroidery kit I've ever used, and it only costs $10, so you cannot beat it. And I look at the video about the set, and you'll see why I think that. I've done this for years. Okay, now then I'm gonna go in the middle, and this is gonna help me distribute my stitches so that they're more even and more orderly. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in between those two, the first two. You could draw another line if you need to. And I'm going to go down at the bottom of that area. Now I'm going to go over here and do the same thing between the middle and the last one. You're just imposing some barriers for yourself so that you won't just make your stitches all willy-nilly. Now I'm going to go down here. After I do that, then I'm going to make a stitch between each of those stitches. And you're sort of fencing yourself in a little bit. I teach drawing and painting too. And when you're drawing, I always teach to use one line as a reference to make another line. And that's what you're doing. You're actually drawing with thread. And you're using these 2 lines as a reference for where you're going to place the lines in between. And you can keep them more parallel, more even. Now I'm going to go over here between these 2 stitches. And I'm going to keep doing that And now I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go up between those two stitches. See how I'm feeling? It's making a solid area.